Hello viewers, hope you are doing great. It is your host Alseef and welcome to my channel. Dubai Shopping Festival is back with all its attractions alive. From outdoor themed markets to life-changing prizes, DSF has it all. And we are exploring one of the themed market in this video. So we are at Alseef, which is located at Dubai, near to Consulate General of the United States and British Embassy. It features fabulous view of Dubai historic creek, traditional Dhows and old world architecture paired with modern comforts. The charming Alseef district brings visitors 46 days of fun-filled activities, workshops, live entertainments and amazing fireworks. This year festivities continue from 16 December to 30th January. Well, you should visit with all your family because these outdoor theme markets have something for all age groups. Alright viewers, that's all from this video. Please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss the new videos weekly. Like the video and don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments. Your participation will keep me motivated and encourages me to share more and more fun-filled content. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. And how the Spanish says, adios amigo.